Hello everyone, this is JJ from Zeroverse. Today I'll show you how I automate my Excel entries using ChatGPT so that when I paste ChatGPT outputs into Excel, it has the correct format, the correct structure, the correct data that I want. Alright, so I'll tell you my goal first. So this is the Excel spreadsheet that I designed, and I want to have entries so that I can track stuff. For example, I want to track electronic components so that I can refer it later on when I'm doing my work or designing. This information comes from a website. This is an electronic component. As you can see, all the details are all in here, in the data sheet, in the product details. It is everywhere. And to extract the information one by one and putting into this Excel spreadsheet is a very tedious and time-consuming task. So I want to automate this task, so I will have to use ChatGPT. So this is how I do it to get a clean entry for my Excel, but it is a very inefficient way because not only I need to paste all the information, it will forget how to do it in this correct format every time after a few prompts. After that, if I want to copy it, I copy the entire table and then paste it in here, and then I will have to delete this thing. So as you can see, it is quite a tedious task to just copy the entire table, especially when each table always have to have this header. So my goal today is to create a ChatGPT to automate all these entries so that I can copy and paste much easily. The way I'm going to do this automation of Excel entries is by using Custom ChatGPT. Unfortunately, you can only create Custom GPT if you are in the paid version of ChatGPT. Free version, you can only use it. If you have a paid plan, you can follow along these steps. Otherwise, you can just copy and paste my prompt into the standard ChatGPT. The only caveat is that you need to do that every few times so that it remembers the format. But let's just go to Custom ChatGPT, and that's why I love Custom ChatGPT, because of this function. So it is like an AI agent. So let's just create a custom ChatGPT. And yes, so first of all, I need to do some prompt engineering, basically structuring the description and instructions so that it has the correct output that I want. So to do that, I'm going to ask ChatGPT for help again. So very conveniently, there's a create button here that can help me with creating this custom GPT. So I'm just going to tell it my goal, just like how I tell you. Okay, I'm going to specify the format that I want. So this format, application, category, component, key, spec, supplier, is how I come up with. But of course, if you have no idea what you want, you can also ask ChatGPT. I'm going to just paste it in, show them this is actually what I want. Okay, so I'm happy. So just follow along. Let's see what it comes up with. So let's just put the manufacturing part number to see whether it can do it as well. So let's just put it in here. Yes, much better. As you can see, so much better. So if I copy and then paste it in here, as you can see, much more concise. You can see the part number, the component name is kind of wrong. See, it always outputs this header, and so now we want to try to remove it. I've actually tested a few ways, and the easiest way is to actually just put your Excel entry into a code block. So just wrap it into a code block. I'll show you how. So what you're gonna paste it into it is this comment: return only the raw output in a code block with no headers. So it needs to be in a code block. Let's test it out to see whether it works. So copy again, paste the part number. Okay, so there you go. It is in a code block, and then when you just copy, you can just click copy here and then go back to your Excel and then paste it. As you can see, the format, it is much better, and you can paste it immediately inside. So right now I just need to make sure that I'm wrapping all my text, and as you can see, it just makes things so much easier in terms of extracting the information and immediately inputting into it so that we can see everything right here. Alright, so once you finish it, just hit on create, and you can publish it to the GPT store or just anyone with a link or just privately. Just click on save, and here you go. This is the custom GPT that you created by yourself. Alright, for those of you who do not have a plus version or a paid version, you can also just copy paste my prompt into it. So just copy and paste this prompt. So yeah, just copy and paste the prompt that will be linked in description, or I'll comment down below so that you can just copy and paste it. So when you paste it, it will tell you to have like paste a link. So for example, I'm gonna just copy and paste this. So for example, I'm just going to copy and paste this link, and then it should actually give you the correct entry, as you can see. So right now you can just copy, go back to your Excel, click on the column, and then paste it, and there you go. There's some wrap text issue, but you can just easily just reset it, and as you can see, this is the format it outputs you, which means you can also do it without the custom GPT. But maybe once in a while, when you see the entries kind of deviate from what you expect, just copy and paste the original prompt and then repeat it. So yeah, in custom GPT you do not need to do that, because in the custom GPT, from every single answer from ChatGPT, it will refer back to the instructions to give you the output that you want. So custom GPT is great for that, but if you don't have custom GPT, it is also okay. You can just copy and paste like that. So yeah, custom GPT can only be used by the paid version. That's it. Now you have a clean way to copy and paste entries from ChatGPT into your Excel spreadsheet, whether it is to track inventory, real estate research, or any tracking that you want to do. So comment down below for some use cases. I want to see how you guys use this, and make sure to like and subscribe if you find it useful and saves you some time. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.